Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ang and I make cleaning, cooking, and lifestyle content. Thanks so much for joining me today in this day in the life. You'll get to see what I did on this fine Saturday here at home as I practice social distancing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at living_ang. Now let's get into it. I start off each morning with a little skincare routine of washing my face because it gets pretty greasy. I'll then put in my contact lenses so that I can see. If you guys don't use a tongue scraper yet, I highly suggest that you start. It's so gross but satisfying to see all the gunk coming off your tongue. It also helps with morning breath. I just use this tongue scraper first, and then after I have breakfast and especially after coffee, I'll brush afterwards. I love the smell and taste of coffee, but not it lingering in my breath. After I get dressed, I will open the blinds and then make the bed. Let's go. This way. Over here. Over here. Over here. Come on. Get in. This way. You don't want to get in? Oh, I think you don't like the flash on my camera, huh? Come on. Come here. Go. You camera shy? You don't go in? Okay, I turn off the camera. Let's go. 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 After the walk, I'm going to make some lemon water, then get stuff ready for breakfast. Today's breakfast is going to be super lazy. Logan's having Cheerios, and I'm going to have Kellogg's Special K. I'm using my own coffee in this reusable K-cup. It's from Trader Joe's and it's the whole bean Colombian Supremo that I grind up myself. I think it's pretty good, and to it I will add some cream, and this brand is really good. It's not as sweet as most already flavored and sweetened creamers. I love using these glass straws from Amazon for coffee and tea. I like to think that it reduces the staining of teeth if you drink through a straw. One rolled off the counter once and it didn't crack at all, so they're pretty durable. Now it's time to do my hair and put my face on. I'm not a hair person and usually just put my hair up with a clip, but today I'm trying to do something cute and different, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to start off with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the color Tawny. I'm not going to use the foundation primer and oil free today just because I think it works just as good without the primer. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral to do a little bit under the eye and then to brighten up my forehead, nose. Now I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Now moving on to the brows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Black. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using the Lorac Mega 3 eyeshadow palette. For lunch, we are going to be having some Instant Pot baked potatoes. These are just left over from last night. Now moving on to the fun stuff, we'll be making some oatmeal raisin cookies today. After the cookies were made, I went to my office to work on a few projects. I was printing envelopes for a friend's wedding invitations, and then I spent about 2 hours editing this video that you're watching right now. I worked until it was pretty much dinner time. Right here, I'm just reheating some leftover spaghetti. I told you this was a lazy Saturday. I also needed to get rid of the leftovers in the fridge before I could cook more new food and make room for groceries. This is my other half, Nate, talking to me, and he didn't realize that I was recording, but I told him that it's okay because I usually do a voiceover anyways. I think it's funny to watch my mannerism without any audio. I actually forgot what we were talking about, but it must have been something really good. For the rest of the night, I just take a shower and watch the show Kingdom on Netflix. I refer to it as the Chinese version of Game of Thrones. With that said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I did today. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.